morning light, and my screen is glowing. So many voices, never knowing. There's a gentle hand upon my door, but I don't hear it anymore. Coffee's warm, but my heart is colder. Chasing noise, I'm getting older. You are closer than my breath, but I scroll past life itself. You don't shout above the sound, you just wait to be found. You're still knocking, even when I'm not listening. Still calling through the noise I'm living in. You don't force your way inside, you stand there patient every time. You're still knocking, Lord, I'm opening. Traffic lights, and my mind is listening. Every problem I'm still facing, but you're sitting right beside peace I've been trying to find. All the while, you never left me, even when my eyes can't see. You were whispering my name through the chaos and the pain. You don't compete with the crowd, you speak soft, but it's loud. You're still knocking, even when I'm not listening. Still calling through the noise I'm living in. You don't force your way inside, you stand there patient every time. You're still knocking, Lord, I'm opening. I was waiting for a sign in the sky, but you were standing at my door. I was looking for fire and thunder, but you were whispering more. So here's my heart wide open, no more distractions controlling. If you're still knocking, I'm letting you in.